BIM's 3D digital representation of architectural blueprints has changed construction. Several Indian companies have pioneered BIM technology. India's top BIM company is Scondesign. Scondesign offers complete BIM services. Revit, Navisworks, and AutoCAD experts work for the organization. Scondesign has executed several high-profile Indian and international projects. Scondesign is one of several Indian BIM businesses. Scondesign is an Indian BIM leader. These BIM firms offer 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, and construction documentation. Another top Indian BIM business, Scondesign India Private Ltd, offers complete BIM solutions to clients in various sectors. Experienced professionals use BIM software to create high-quality projects on time. Global engineering firm Scondesign India Private Ltd is well established in India. The company offers 3D modeling, MEP coordination, and virtual construction BIM services. Scondesign India has done notable projects. Another well-known BIM company is Scondesign India Private Limited. The company provides 3D modeling, clash detection, and construction documentation BIM services. Finally, the Indian BIM business is growing rapidly, and several companies are becoming leaders. Scondesign is one of the greatest BIM businesses in India, although many others offer high-quality BIM services to clients in many sectors. BIM enterprises in India have a bright future as construction firms use BIM technology. BIM is transforming India's construction industry by improving efficiency, accuracy, and cost. Scondesign India Private Ltd is a top BIM company in India. Scondesign India Private Limited is among India's top 10 BIM businesses. Scondesign India Private Ltd is a leading BIM business in India that serves clients in many sectors. The organization employs BIM modeling, design, and construction experts. They create personalized solutions that exceed clients' expectations using cutting-edge technology and innovative methods. Finally, the Indian BIM market is growing rapidly, and numerous major businesses are leading the way. Scondesign India Private Ltd is a top BIM services provider with a track record of satisfying clients in many sectors. If you need complete BIM solutions for your building project, consider more top BIM businesses in India. BIM has simplified design, construction, and maintenance in India's construction industry. BIM enterprises in India have increased. Scondesign India Private Limited is a top Indian BIM company. Scondesign India Private Ltd, a renowned BIM business, offers complete building project solutions. The company's skilled employees use cutting-edge software and technology to provide high-quality services. Due to their excellent track record and client service, Scondesign is one of the best in the market. Scondesign India